Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today I have Facebook social media banner set, social media cheat sheet, and you can adjust its size for Facebook post, Facebook cover, profile image, Instagram, Twitters, Pinterest, and Google Plus, YouTube, etc. So first I drag this file in Photoshop. This file in 214 MB. Here is 257 MB. So first I drag this file, waiting Photoshop format, and you see here in layer area every bundle have a 25 posts. First I show you block, so you can see here is 25 templates. You can choose everywhere, you can change everything. I extract this 1 2 3 4 5, and here is 25 last. So I fashion, click on fashion, and here is 25. Wow, you can change everything. You can change font or background color, overlay, everything. Here is next 25 is shop. You see, show for sales, for offer, anything you can write here. And second is quotes. Here is 25 templates. You can write your own text, write your own dreams, talk, etc. if you want. And last is events. Here is 25 events. Wow, all files are professional. So I add any file. For example, I change this file. Okay, you can change background. For example, open photo, we need a portrait, so I crop this image and drag there, here, and right click, create clipping mask, and then you see opacity is 65. You can create a layer like this, control backspace, and then opacity is 64, 66, or if you like you can edit this. For example, here click and you can adjust your own image here. You can change writing, create secret behind great nature photography, and you can adjust your own photo, or you can change anything. Sheri, okay. Lino Davis, you can change San Franco. Wow. So here is a block. So I'm go on fashion. Oh, you can change background color, double click, or create apply gradient overlay. Wow. Okay, and here is fashion everyday. You can change color. I know you know better know about color. And here change image. Brand new iPhone out now. Import your own PNG file and write anything here. You can change picture, final sale, top color red or dark pink, and here is color is sky blue. Okay, and these, you know, the circle, you can adjust your picture in circle. Summer coming soon. Here is quotes, you can write any your text. Be yourself. Wow, you can imagine, you put in your own picture. So quotes, here is events. You can add your everything. I know you can do better. You can add it one by one, and you can save. You can save one by one. So I close this file and open another file, drag to Photoshop, reading format. Oh, this is my laptop issue, but file is accurate. So I close this file, open, and you see here, click on food. Same here is 25 templates in one bundle. First I show you the foods. Wow, you can change everything. Fruit, you can write anything. Healthy fruit. Okay, you can write your own choice. Good job, etc. Here you can change color. Double click on background, like this color. Wow, food color or green. Okay, pizza, food and agriculture. Okay, so I know you can change. I close this food and show on beauty. Wow, you are beautiful. You can adjust your own image here. For example, I open another photo like this and convert in low resolution 3 or 400, drag there. Whoa, we need 600 pixel. 600. Okay, drag there in circle and create clipping mask, and you see our photo in circle. So you can adjust your own picture here. I tell you, just for example, so I select this color, her lips are here. Wow, so you need this font. You can adjust your own image here. I know you can do better. Wow, change color. Basic, voice, time, lipstick here. And next is travel. Wow, You can add everything: India, Rome, Bangkok, Istanbul, Old World, Moscow, Dream. And next is pattern. You can write your own anything. Second last is startup. Wow, these are grids, but you can use easily in your own choice. And I close this file, close this, and open last file, social media cheat sheet. Oh, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google Plus, YouTube. Here is size. For example, you save any file there, and size is open this file and adjust your size for Facebook cover, photos, or etc. if you can do easily. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel for more professional data. Take care, Allah Hafiz.